Hi, I'm Des Burton, and I've been a pupil of Nicky Pearce on the cello for the last 10 years at the Canolfan Gaeltacht William Matthias. Well, I think it was a long time ago. We heard about the Canolfan when it first opened. I think it was 1999, wasn't it? We'd just come back from overseas, and so we were looking for musical things for our daughter. So we got to know all the services that were available and all the organisations. And our daughter went through the pyramid of music for orchestras and groups, ensemble work and private lessons and so on. And then when she went off to university, there was no noise in our house, no music. So I looked for an opportunity for myself to do something, and that was when I first came into direct contact with the Canolfan. I've been studying with Nicky for 10 years now. Seems to have gone in a flash. All my life, the journey has been in two parts. The first when I was a teenager, and the second when I was retired, with a gap of about 45 years between when I did nothing. So, and in a way, they're two parallel parts of the same journey. Perhaps I'm trying to live my second childhood now, actually. It's all within the confines of the Canolfan Gaeltacht. I don't do any music apart from that, from practice at home. So I started off with the lessons in 2015, every week, and then in 2019, Nicky started the Canolfan Gaeltacht's Carnarvon Community Orchestra, which has been a great success. We've got our 9th concert coming up soon, and we even worked during lockdown. So we've worked without a gap really since 2015. It's been a really good experience. And we've started a small ensemble for recorders and cello as well. So in the last 24 hours before I've come here to speak, I've had orchestra last night, lesson this morning, ensemble this morning. So if I look a bit tired, it takes a lot of hard work if you're going to learn an instrument or do any kind of music really. Don't expect to be wonderful at it first. If you don't enjoy it, then there's no point in doing it really. I mean, you can expect a bit of pressure and a bit of stress, but you can see all the benefits later on.